Yun yung problem kasi before, na marami, pag natayo yung library building, wala na yung MOE. Kukunin na sa regular budget ng National Library.
That's unfair to the National Library. Maliit na nga budget nyo.
Yes, Madam Chair.
So,
the solution of that, Madam Chair, was the charter, the bill,
unless you have
charter.
regional libraries, you have Luzon, you have Visayas, you have Mindanao under you, and we will fund it. But to have per congressional district na library, it's not doable.
Yes, Madam Chair.
It should be LGU manned.
That's correct, Madam Chair.
And you know, you don't always have to create a building, build a building. It can be old houses, it can be a room in the municipio, or it can be adaptive reuse of old structures rather than build new buildings.
Actually, Madam Chair, that's part of our monitoring. Yung nag-iikot kami sa buong Pilipinas, we talk to the local chief executives. That's our suggestion. You don't need to build a new building. Just find a place for a start, and we'll provide you initial allocation. And then if you have money, then that's the time you develop your own library.
For the indications of Edmund Children's Library.
So, okay, for the last slide, Madam Chair, would like to invite everyone present here. In November, we'll be celebrating Library Information Services Month, and we'll be launching our newly developed children's library. So that's all, and good afternoon, Madam Chair.
How about the improvement of your entrance? Kasi nakita ko mga tumutulo at saka wala dyan.
Yes, Madam Chair, wala siya doon. So madadagdagan yung 49 million.
Capital outlay yun?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Ano nyo?
Yes.
Anong tawag ng engineering study? Maliit lang naman yun.
Yes, we have in-house architect.
Yung entrada nyo, para presentable naman.
Yes, Madam Chair. We'll do that.
Sige, maliit lang ha. Sige.
Yes,
and then we don't encourage congressional. Well, we support the creation of libraries.
In charter, Madam Chair.
Locally led or locally established. And you can provide books. We can help.
The draft that we submitted to Madam Chair, yun talaga yung solusyon ng problemang yun.
So, we have the NCCA charter, the NHCP charter,
NLP charter.
and NLP charter. Prioritize ko yun, ha? Oo. Sige.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Yes. Archives. Wala si Ino. May sariling building na kayo?
Meron po.
Saan?
Sa may Otis po. Ako Otis.
Oh, okay. It's a heritage.
And then the Intendencia is ongoing construction. Restoration.
Forever yun. Tagal na nun. Sige. Okay.
Good afternoon, Madam Chair.
What wish list na lang?
Opo. Okay. Okay, next slide.
The NEP and the cut in the NEP and then the wish list we see.
Okay. Next slide, please.
Dr. Jose Rizal, anong meron kayo about Rizal? Ang dami niya. Anong meron kayong nasa archives about Rizal?
Walang masyado.
Is there a Rizal library there or Rizal room? In UST?
But in UST we have reproduced some of the Rizal documents for public viewing in our library. And the archives. Kung pupunta doon,
let's have a Rizal exhibit in UST since marami kayo sa collection. Curate mo. Yeah.
We also have some first editions of the Noli.
The first edition of the Noli?
Yes, and Philly.
It was, there was an auction the other week on the first edition of the Noli. Iba pa ito? The first edition is in UST. The three first editions. That were printed in Berlin in the Litteverein, which I think you should mark. Promise, you go. You mark it. Assess na nyo. Okay, knock.
Hi, good afternoon po, Madam Chair. Regarding records on Rizal po, meron pong konti na kasama po dun sa Cuerpo de Vigilancia collection. Cuerpo de Vigilancia. Galing po yun sa NCCA, donated to the National Archives. Nasa meron po siyang picture doon and di ko masyadong maalala po yung isa pang image na feature po namin kasama sa Manila exhibit na sinet up po last year and nire-launch early this year po.
Hindi naman tulatan sa dulo. Kasi ibang naman.
Okay, Madam Chair, as comparative budget namin for 2025 compared to 2026 approved NEP, we have 63 decrease in budget compared to 2026 NEP and to 2025 GAA, but we have 25% increase in operations budget, excluding the Intendencia Fund. Okay, so next slide, please.
The Intendencia, that's capital outlay, no?
Opo.
That is going to be your office and storage, everything?
Yes, office and storage and of Spanish records.
Ganda. Where are those Spanish records now?
Nasa Paco Otis po.
Is it
In the meantime.
Is it stored well?
Yes.
Safe? Okay.
Yes.
Sige.
So for our approved budgets for 2026, 5 out of 23 proposals were included in the NEP, and amount is 55,239,000,000. And the composition is there: ICT office productivity, procurement of hardware and software, digitization projects. Okay.
Just proceed to the most important that were taken out of your NEP.
So next slide, please. Yung ating
Wish list.
wish list, please.
Next. Bandang dulo. I-assist nyo na lang. Sa dulo na lang. Sige pa.
Sige pa.
Sige pa. Ayan. Oh. Ayan.
Ay.
Balik. Yeah.
Okay. Yung aming po essential project for restoration, we have 6. Ignore na lang po yung the creation of plantilla position as we discussed earlier. The second one is the list of lot from BCDA and planning for NAP Northern Zone Regional Hub. Third is,
I read that already, so
okay.
this is it. Yan ang tinanggal, 392.
Oh, yes.
May dahilan ng ano dyan. Saan yung, what is Sinupan Saksi? In Western
Sinupan at
Visayas.
saksi
What is
po
it?
yan. Exhibit po yan, no? In relation to the NAP 125 anniversary.
Where in Western Visayas?
Wala pang exact venue.
So,
As investor
Kaya pala kayo tinatanggalan ng budget ng DBM eh. Pag ganyan ang mga sagot nyo eh. Hindi ko rin kayo i-restore kung ganyan kayo.
If I may po, ma'am, actually, yung exhibit po na yan is dito sa Manila i-set up. Ang i-feature lang po namin ay yung maps, plans, and records about Western Visayas and Cagayan Valley. Part po ng exhibit. Yung mga records
Exhibits,
like that.
2 separate exhibits.
Isang exhibit po yan.
Huh? Cagayan Valley and Western Visayas in one exhibit?
Opo, as part, ano po sila kasi,
Where will it be held?
Manila po.
Dito.
Yes
Oh,
po.
I see.
Opo. Kasi ang target din po, by next year, part ng intendensya is matatapos na. So, we'll set up the exhibit there po.
Okay. Lease of lot from BCDA and planning for NAP Northern Luzon. sa Visayas Records and Archival Center?
Yung office po kasi namin sa Cebu is rented lang po. So, we are requesting funds to acquire a property and masimulan na rin po yung planning ng property na yon para po magkaroon na rin ng permanent office ang Cebu office namin. Kasi yung Mindanao po is meron na.
Where are your regional offices?
Sa Cebu po, nasa Mandaue.
And then in
And
Mindanao?
then sa Mindanao, nasa Davao City po.
Tatlo lang kayo. Manila, Cebu, diba? Okay. So we proceed. I understand your budget anyway, and I don't think we can come up with a 392 for your wish list, but let me study that. Yes. Okay, so we terminate the budget. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, the last, no?
Yes.
Yes. Oo. Commission? Yes. On Filipino language. Yes.
Magandang hapon po muli, Madam Chair. Maraming salamat.
NHCP and NTCA, okay na kayo. But anyway, last na to. Sige. Okay na kayo. Negotiate niyo yung PNB. Maganda, di ba? Gusto ba niya? Oo. Okay, tas next year na yung itatayong structure na simple lang dapat from old repurposed wood, yung simple lang ganun, hindi mahal. Tas we can have, classes. Okay. Sa commission po.
Pang mabilisan lang po. Tutuloy na po agad kami sa aming NEP at nais po namin ipabatid na kami po ay napagbigyan ng 117,901 para sa taong ito. At ang amin naman pong budget utilization para sa FY 2024 ay 91.27% po. Samantala, ang disbursement utilization rate naman po ay 93.30. Tutuloy na rin po agad ako, Madam Chair, sa amin pong mga kahilingan at ang una po namin pinapakiusap ay ang 15 million para po ito sa implementasyon ng RA 11106 at sana po ay narito kanina si Senator Win sapagkat isa po siya sa mga nagsusulong para po sa karapatan ng mga deaf. At ito po ay para naman sa Filipino Sign Language. Para sa taong 2026 po, Madam Chair, kailangan na po sana namin na magkaroon ng sistema para po sa paglabas ng patakaran at implementasyon ng FSL Act. Ito po ay ang kakailanganin namin dito ay ang Deaf Relay Interpreters na sistema at ganun din ang Visual Communication Assessment for the Deaf. Alam niyo po, mayroon pong 1.78 million na deaf at ang mga komunidad po at organisasyon na pumupunta sa amin ay nasa 119 sa kasalukuyan. Yan po ay aming palaging pinupulong at isa po sa mga hinihiling nila ay itong dalawang sistema na ito upang maisulong na po ang karapatan ng mga deaf sa lahat po ng dominyo, lalong-lalo na po sa justice, sa media, sa health. Pangalawa po riyan ay ito po sana ay patuluyang proyekto ninyo. Humihiling po kami na mapagbigyan sana ng bantayong wika. Ito po yung mga language marker. Alam niyo po sa Visayas, dadalawa lamang po ang mayroon. At ito po
I started that maybe 10 years ago. Yung Bantayog Wika. Ilan na ba ho ang naitayo?
29 po.
29.
Opo.
Nagamit na ba lahat ng pondo na ating linaan dito?
Opo. At medyo matagal po
isang Bantayog Wika?
Nasa 1.5 million po ang huling estimate.
Yung
pagtatayo po, yung mismo pong structure.
Paggawa. Kasi na-disenyo na yan ni Junyi.
Opo.
So, gagawin na lang. Oo, hindi na mahal dapat yun.
Yes po. At ang medyo nagmamahal lang po ay yung base. Alam niyo, meron po kasi kami...
Anong mga LGU ang pending ang Bantayog Wika?
Ay, lahat po yung naitayo na. Lahat po ito ay naipatayo na namin, yung 29. Meron po kaming listahan. At dalawa nga po na nabanggit ko ay nasa Visayas. Sana nga po ay sa Antique po at sa Tanawan Leyte.
Antique already, it was the first.
Yan nga po, yun lang po.